Hi, this is Venkateswar Rao Annamareddy. I am an subject matter expert in physics subject. Today I am going to explain a problem. The problem is from motion in a straight line in class 11, 11th class. Okay. Now the given problem is a body is projected upward with an initial velocity of 10 meters per second. Now the question is how much height it will how much time it will take to reach the ground and how much height it will raise. This is the question. Two questions asked. So now I am going to explain the answer in two methods. One is at board level and the second one is IIT, JEE and NEET level. Okay. So first I am going to explain you in the board level. See here the answer I am going giving. So the answer is, so first the given data is what is the velocity. It is initial velocity u equal to 10 meters per second. Okay. So this was given, and what he asked, how much time it will take to reach the ground. Time he asked. That means here, and the next one is how much height it will raise. So height also how much. These two questions, yeah, they was asked. Now, so from this, what we have to find, we have to first of all find the t value, so time value. Okay na? So the only data given was only the initial velocity is 10 meters per second. That's it, nothing else given. So now from this we know we have the four fundamental equations. What are they? V equal to u plus ut at, s equal to ut plus half at square, b square minus u square equal to 2s, like that. Sn equal to, like that, equations are there. So now to find the t value, first substitute take the first formula. So that is v equal to u plus at. Okay na? First of all picturize what is given. Okay na? So the given one is first. So the body was, this is the ground. Okay na? Now the second is the body was projected upward with an initial velocity. Okay na? See how much, and what was the initial velocity? U equal to 10. Okay na? So this was given 10 meters per second. Okay na? Now see, from this formula we can find the t value. T value means here, from here to here, how much height it was reached. That we can how much height, not how much time it will take to reach the maximum height. Okay na? This is time of ascent. Later again it has to reach to the ground. That means time of descent also we have to calculate. So the formula, from this formula we know that final velocity of a projected body, upward projected body, final velocity always 0. So v means here, what is the v value here? V value is 0. That is equals to u value is 10 plus a means in the upward projected body, a always becomes g. Okay na? So the time remains t only. So now if you take the 10 in this side, so minus 10 is equals to here upward body minus g. Okay na? So for the case of upward projected body, g always minus g. Okay na? So minus, see g value we know that generally g is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. This g value is nearly, for the calculation, easy calculation, I took 9 instead of 9.8, 10. I took 10 meter per second. So g equal to 10 meter per second. It is nearly equal to. So for the calculation, easy calculation, I took like this. Okay na? So minus 10 by, if g comes to this side, minus 10. So what happens? Minus 10 will cancel, and 1 second remains. So the how much time? The time of ascent is here. See here, the time of ascent is 1 second. Now the body has to return back to the ground. Okay, na? So for this, the time of ascent equal to, see, for the case of projected upward, time of ascent equal to time of descent. So what happens? The time will become double. So 1 plus 1 seconds equal to time. So that is equals to 2 seconds is the time taken to time taken to reach the ground. Now the second question, what is the second question? The second question was given like this. What is the second question is, how much height it can raise. So the for this formula, see, second formula, we shall use b square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay, na? From this formula we can find the height. Okay, na? So v square is, in the case of upward projected body, v square final velocity always 0. So 0 square minus u square means 10 square is equals to 2 into a becomes minus g in the case of projected, vertically projected upward body. S becomes height. Height is maximum height. Okay, na? So minus 10 square divided by this 2g comes to this side. So 2 into 10 minus 10. So that is equals to height. The maximum height is, anyway, this 10, 1 square will go off. Okay, na? 10 by 2 is 5. 5 meters is the height. Okay, na? So these two are in the board level. Okay, na? The questions was explained in the level of board only. Now I'm going to take the next IIT JEE and NEET level. Now I'm going to tell you the IIT JEE and NEET level. So for this, again I am writing here IIT JEE and NEET level. For this, directly I am applying the equations. So time, for the time of light, we know the time of light formula is 2u by g equal to time of light. So directly apply here. 2 into u means 10 initial velocity by g means nearly 10. So that is equals to t. So what happens is this 10 will cancel out, and 2 seconds is the time. Okay, na? This is the first one. Okay, this is second one. First question answer. Okay, na? Same like that. Second, how much height it can reach? The formula of maximum height, h equal to u square by 2g. H equal to u square by 2g. So now substitute this value. U square means 10. U means 10 square by 2 into 10. Okay, na? So square 10 will cancel out, and height is remains 10 by 2, 5 meters. So this is the answer. I hope this will, I hope this is the answer you satisfied. Thank you very much for watching this video.